Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to properly achieve the underpainting technique. You want to go ahead and prime your face and make sure all that is done. Now get your concealer, maybe 2 shades lighter, and highlight all your highlighting areas, your under eye, your chin, your forehead, the bridge of your nose, your cheekbone, under your cheekbone, wherever. Then you want to go ahead and just blend that in. I am using a brush. You can use a sponge if that's what you want to do. Just go ahead and blend all of that in. Just blend that. The key to this whole thing is blending. Sometimes your arms might hurt, but just keep blending. Once you're done, you go in with all your contour products. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation stick in the shade Congo, so I'm going to apply that all over the perimeters of my face and all the areas that I want to basically dim. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to my nose. I'm going to contour my nose. This brush, I believe, is from Lorac Cosmetics. I have had it for ages. If you would like to purchase it, I will put it in the description box below. I cannot promise you guys if they still have it. Because like I said, I've had this brush for ages, almost a decade. Okay, so I'm just contouring and basically bringing that into my brow bone area. Once that is done, you're going to go ahead and take a stippling brush and you're just going to stipple around all the harsh areas, where the contour and the highlighting meet. Look at that. Y'all see the difference? Some people usually go ahead and just apply the foundation right after they're done applying the the concealer and the contour stuff, but I find that when you do that, once you apply the foundation, you still see those harsh lines. So you want to take your stippling brush and literally stipple around all of your face where all the harsh lines are. Once you are done, you're going to take a foundation. Now the foundation you grab, you want to make sure is lightweight, or you can use a skin tint. It's up to you. I prefer a skin tint because it's very lightweight and literally the coverage is on two. It doesn't really give you that much coverage. So what that does is it blends everything in like this. As you guys can see, this is what you want it to look like. If you grab a full coverage foundation, then you end up covering up everything that you have already done, which is like pointless, because then you got to go back in and highlight and contour. You guys see the difference? So you want to go ahead and apply your skin tint or your very, very, very lightweight foundation all over your face using the stippling motion. Do not buff. Just take a stippling brush and just poke your face until you get the coverage that you're looking for, until everything is blended out nicely like so. And then you want to go ahead and just set your face, apply your blush, set your face with a powder, apply your blush, and you are all done. It's very easy. It's really not hard, guys. I'm telling you. Let me know what you think. Bye.